Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Velveeta shells and cheese. First, let's get that water boiling. Start by filling a large, 3-quart saucepan with 4 cups of cold water. Adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the water now seasons the pasta as it cooks. Bring this water to a rapid, rolling boil over high heat, ensuring it's bubbling vigorously before adding anything else. This initial step is crucial for perfectly cooked pasta. Once your water is at a rolling boil, carefully add the Velveeta pasta shells to the pot. Stir them gently for about 30 seconds to keep them from clumping together. Let the shells cook for 8 to 10 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. We want them al dente, which means they are tender but still have a slight firmness. Finally, drain the pasta thoroughly in a colander, making sure to remove all excess water. After draining your pasta, immediately return the hot shells to the empty saucepan. It is important not to rinse the pasta, as the starch helps the cheese sauce cling beautifully. Now, carefully open the iconic Velveeta cheese sauce packet. Gently squeeze every bit of that rich, creamy cheese sauce directly over the warm pasta shells in the pot. The residual heat from the pasta will start melting the cheese instantly. With the cheese sauce added, it is time to stir everything together. Use a sturdy spoon or spatula to mix the shells and cheese until every single shell is evenly coated. Watch as the rich, creamy sauce melts perfectly into the pasta, creating that smooth, irresistible texture. Once the cheese is fully integrated and wonderfully smooth, your Velveeta shells and cheese are ready. Serve them warm right away for the best experience. For the most delicious results, always stick to the recommended 4 cups of water for boiling. Be careful not to overcook your pasta. Aim for that perfect al dente bite to avoid a mushy texture. Remember, Velveeta shells and cheese truly shines when served immediately, while it is warm and the sauce is at its creamiest. If you have any leftovers, store them properly in an airtight container for enjoying later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.